Hi friends, I am welcoming you all in lecture number 9 of chapter number 3. Vande Mataram friends, welcome again. We stop on exercise number 3.2, question number 17. What is that? If a is equal to 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 and I is equal to 1, 0, 0, 1, then find k so that a square is equal to ka minus 2y. We already done a sum like this already in a question number 15 and 16. So let's start. What we have to find? We have to find first a square. Okay, so for that we need a square is equal to a into a, that is 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 into 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2. Now from this we need first member, that is you called A11, first row and first column. So multiply the corresponding elements, we get 3 into 3, that is 9, minus 2 into 4, that is minus 8. Okay, the next element is A12, this is your A11, this is your A12. So what is A12? 3 into minus 2, that is minus 6. 2 minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. Okay, next element is A21, that is second row first column. So 4 into 3, that is 12, and minus 2 into 4, that is again minus 8. 4 into minus 2, that is minus 8, and minus 2 into minus 2, that is plus 4. Okay, so our a square is equal to 9 minus 8, that is 1. Here it is minus 2, 4 and minus 4. So this is your a square. Now what we want? We need a value of k. So just simplify it in a form like this. K is as it is. Change the side of a square plus 2y. I am changing a side of 2 into y. So my equation is something like this. K a. A means your 3 minus 2, 4 minus 2 is equal to a square, that is 1 minus 2, 4 minus 4 plus 2 into 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay, so just multiply k inside it. In MCQ or in 1 mark question you can compare any one element, okay, because there is a equality between both the matrices. So you can compare any one matrix, your work can complete. Okay, 1 plus 2 into 1, that is 3. Here minus 2 plus 2 into 0, that is minus 2. 4 plus 2 into 0, that is 4, and minus 4 plus 2, that is minus 2. You can compare any one element and from that you also get a k. Suppose I am comparing this element A11. Okay, so what is from this? I have 3k is equal to 3. This is I am getting from equality of matrices. I am getting this result because of equality of matrices. So simply you find value of k, that is 1. You can take any member, another member. Minus 2k is equal to minus 2k. Again you will get k equal to 1, 4k equal to 4. You will get k equal to 1. Here we are getting one value of k as k equal to 1 because there is a equality, and we know that very well that in equality each and every corresponding elements of matrix are same. Okay, I can compare any matrix from both matrices. If A is equal to 0, minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2, 0, and I is the identity matrix of order 2, then show that I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Okay, so this is your RHS and this this is your LHS and this is your RHS. In RHS there is a multiplication of two matrices. Okay, so let's start with LHS. LHS is comparatively easy to derive. Okay, I done mistake, no problem. We have I plus A, I can write A plus I in addition of matrices, no problem with that. Okay, so 0 plus 1, that is 1, minus tan alpha by 2 plus 0. Okay, this is tan alpha by 2 and 0 plus 1, that is 1. In addition of matrices, we are just doing addition of two corresponding elements, that's it. We are doing nothing else than this. Okay, for RHS, I minus A, first we get I minus A, what is that? यहाँ पे अब I cannot change the order, I have to be precise in order because there is a subtraction. Okay, 1 minus 0, that is 1, minus minus plus tan alpha plus 0, so that is tan alpha by 2, 0 minus tan alpha by 2, so that is minus tan alpha by 2, and 1 minus 0, that is 1. Here it is minus of tan alpha. Okay, so this is my one part of RHS. Okay, so for RHS I have to multiply this with a matrix. So RHS is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Now here we can apply two methods. Either we can apply the formulas of cos 2 theta and sin 2 theta here, and you want to do it simply, then you just put the formulas of cos 2 alpha. Again I am using cos 2 alpha sin 2 alpha, but that formula in tan alpha by 2. We have for cos 2 alpha we have 4 formulas. So you can use here 2 cos square alpha by 2 minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square alpha by 2 formula also, but we are going to use here the formula in tan alpha by 2 because your question is in the form of tan alpha. So here I can write 1 tan alpha by 2 minus tan alpha by 2 and 1 into. Okay, now I am putting here a formula of cos 2 alpha in the form of tan 2 alpha. So what is that? 1 minus tan square alpha 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. For sin alpha 2 tan alpha by 2 upon 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. You can, if you are not remembering this formula, you can again revise your chapter number 3 of 11th standard trigonometry. Okay. So again sin, for sin alpha here it is minus, so I am putting minus here. Again I am using the same formula for sin alpha and cos alpha here. So 2 tan alpha by 2, 1 plus tan square alpha by 2, here 1 minus tan square alpha by 2 and 1 plus tan square alpha by 2. You can assume all the places in place of tan alpha by 2, you can assume it is as t. So your multiplication will go easier. So I am assuming that tan alpha by 2 equal to t. Okay, so what I have, 1 t minus t 1, here 1 minus t square 1 plus t square minus 2t 1 plus t square, 2t 1 plus t square 1 minus t square 1 plus t square. Now I have to just multiply the corresponding elements. Before that I am taking 1 plus t square common from the matrix. So what I have, 1 t minus t 1 and 1 upon 1 plus t square common from all. So basically I have 1 minus t square minus 2t, 2t and 1 minus t square as cos alpha minus sin alpha and cos alpha. Okay, I am just putting the value. I remember the matrix, that's why I am writing the value as my own. Okay, without watching for move forward. Okay, let's multiply 1 into 1 minus t square plus 2 into 2 t, 2 into t, that is 2t square. Here first row, first column, then first row, second column, minus 2t plus t minus t cube. Okay, here minus t minus minus plus t cube, here plus 2t. Again second row, second column, so minus minus plus 2t square plus 1 minus t square. Okay, so what I have, basically I will get 1 plus t square. Here from this minus t plus 2t, that is t plus t cube. Here also minus 2t plus t, that is minus t minus t cube. Here t square plus 1. Okay, write down one more step if you want. I am writing just a value. Here I can common t, so I will get 1 plus t square. Here I am just common out t, so I will get 1 plus t square, and here again 1 plus t square. So basically you can see that you can common out 1 plus t square, or you can multiply this 1 plus t square inside the matrix. So finally you will get 1 here, here minus t, t and 1. I am common out, I am doing the values 1 minus t square multiplying inside, or 1 plus t square common out. Okay, you can see both the ways. So this is your final matrix, that is I am putting the value tan alpha by 2 instead of t. So my final value is 1 minus tan alpha by 2, here tan alpha by 2 and 1, and that is your, sorry, here it is not a minus, no, here it is not a minus, this is your LHS, 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 1. So this is your answer. Here it is minus only, minus tan alpha. Okay, so let's watch again. I plus a, so just add the both matrix, this with identity matrix, that is 1 0 0 1. So I will get 1 minus tan alpha by 2, tan alpha by 2 and 0 plus 1, that is 1. Okay, here I minus a, so I am doing the just subtracting the two matrices. So 1 minus 0, that is 1, here minus minus plus tan alpha by 2, here minus tan alpha by 2, here 1 minus 0, that is 1. Okay, now just I am multiplying with this matrix and putting the formulas. Which formula? Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and sin 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. I hope you remember this formula. If you are not, then just revise your chapter number 3. Okay, so here 2 theta, then I am using here theta. The angle will be half of the what is the angle here with cos and sin. Same way here it is 2 theta, and in tan that is theta. So here it is alpha, so I am writing alpha by 2 all the places. Okay, then just take tan alpha by 2 as t and put all the values in t form. Then after you can derive that 1 plus t square is common from all the 4 places. अगर यहाँ पे मैट्रिक्स में अगर आप पूरे मैट्रिक्स में से ही कोई मेंबर कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं, देन ओनली यू कैन कॉमन आउट, अदरवाइज नॉट. दिस इज़ द प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ मैट्रिक्स. ओके, सो फिर मैंने क्या किया, टी के फॉर्म में लिखा 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर कॉमन आउट, 1 अपॉन 1 प्लस टी स्क्वायर कॉमन आउट. देन आफ्टर आई एम जस्ट डूइंग नॉर्मल मल्टीप्लिकेशन. Okay, and I find that 1 plus t square is common from all the members. So again your 1 plus t square is cancelled in numerator and denominator, as well as your matrix become 1 minus t, t 1. So 1 minus tan alpha minus plus tan alpha by 2 and 1, that is therefore LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore I plus A is equal to I minus A into cos alpha minus sin alpha cos sin alpha into cos alpha. देखिए ये मैट्रिक्स मैंने आगे भी बोला था कि दिस मैट्रिक्स विल repeat at least 6 to 7 times in this chapter only. Okay, so we are going to use 2 for this. So this is the one of the most IMP question for your NCERT board. So keep practicing it at least 2-3 times. Okay. Question number 19. A trust fund has 30,000 rupees. They had invested it in 2 different types of funds, bonds. Sorry. फर्स्ट बॉन्ड पेज 5% इंटरेस्ट एंड सेकेंड बॉन्ड पेज 7% इंटरेस्ट. तो आपको क्या करना है, यूजिंग मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लीकेशन यू हैव टू डिवाइड दिस 30,000 इन 2 टाइप्स ऑफ बॉन्ड. ठीक है, दैट द ट्रस्ट get the fund how much interest, total interest they want 1800 or 2000. ठीक है, so I am going to use it one by one. First I am taking that suppose it get interest 1800. Okay, so पहले let assume that trust divide x rupees in first bond. So obviously second bond में कितने जाएंगे, so therefore in second bond there are, you have to just divide it in 2 parts. So you can use another method which you apply in 10th standard also. Okay, elimination है, graphical method है और cross multiplication, any method you can use. लेकिन यहाँ पे they are saying you that you must use matrix multiplication method, so you have to use matrix multiplication. Okay, so I am just making an equation in matrix type. Okay, so I am writing here there are 2 types of bond. I am investing in first bond, I am investing x rupees, and in second bond I am investing obviously 30,000 minus x. Okay, what are the interests? So first interest is 5%, so I can write it here 5 by 100, and second interest is 7%, 5% and 7%. I am investing x rupees, so according to x I am writing 5%, and in second bond I am using in second bond I am investing 30,000 minus x, so here I am writing 7 by 100. Okay, so I am making equation in my mind like 5x by 100 and 30,000 minus x 7 by 100, like we already did in 10th standard. Okay, so what is the result? The interest is for first part, that is A, your interest is 1800 rupees, so I am putting here 1800. Now just multiply the values, so your equation will be ready. आपको सिर्फ ये फॉर्म दिखाना है because they told you to use matrix multiplication. एक बार मैंने ये फॉर्म दिखा दिया, then I can easily simplify. So here I am first row and first order matrix multiplication. So 5x by 100, 7 into 30,000, that is 21,000 by 100 minus 7x by 100. Okay, so this is your 1800. Here you can do direct addition, that is minus 2x. यहाँ पे क्या हो जाएगा, ये कट. So here it is left 21,000. I am changing its sides. So minus 2100 minus 2x. I will get here minus 300. So minus 2x. Okay, I am cancel out minus from both sides, so I will get 300 into 100, that is 30,000. So x will be 15,000. Okay, so if I want interest 1800, I have to invest 15,000 in first and 15,000 in second. Obviously 30,000 minus 15, that is 15,000. So if I am investing same money, same rupees in both fund, then I will get the interest 1800. Okay, so in first bond 1500 and in second bond 1500 can be invested. Okay, so it is up to the trust, they can invest same rupees in both fund. Okay, now solve second part for 2000. Interest is 2000 similarly. Second part फटाफट से x 30,000 minus x 5 by 100 7 by 100. Here is the amount is only the change in this whole question in part B. So 2000 here. ये जो आपका LHS है वहाँ पे कोई डिफरेंस नहीं है, लेकिन मैंने थोड़ा डिफरेंस इसलिए दिखाया कि आपको जो भी मेथड सूटेबल लगे आप कर सकते हैं. वहाँ पे मैंने क्या किया था, 7 by 100 को मल्टीप्लाई किया था. हियर आई एम डूइंग द कॉमन आउट 1 by 100 एंड कीपिंग इट on the RHS. Okay, this 100 moving on the RHS, so your value become 2 lakh, and here you just do normal multiplication and subtraction, you will get minus 2x. 20,000 is moving on RHS, so 2 lakh minus 2 lakh 10,000, so that is minus 10,000. Just divide by 2, minus 2, you will get 5,000. So the trust have to interest 5,000 in first bond and 25,000. How I will get 30,000 minus x, that is 25,000 in second bond. Okay, thank you.